Alright guys, so we are at Chipotle. This is the best rated restaurant in our area. Surprise, surprise, Chipotle. Everyone loves Chipotle. So this has like a 4.8 rating. Alea's never eaten here before. 4.8 is pretty high, isn't it? For a restaurant rating? Yeah, out of 5 stars. So they're only 2 points behind 5 stars. I couldn't find a 5-star, so maybe we'll look more into that for another video.
2 points.
Yeah. But Alea's never had Chipotle before. I'm with Serenity, Alea, and Maya dancing in the car window. Alea's never been here before, like I said, and Serenity and Maya have. So we're gonna go in here and see what their service is like. I can't eat Chipotle, guys. I'm on a special low acid diet, and I also can't swallow very well. I have a test at the hospital for that tomorrow, so hopefully we'll figure it out and I can eat Chipotle soon. You excited, Alea? Yeah. All right, let's go. Serenity and Alea have a ton of fur on them from a video we just did. They were in sleeping bags in the car. We just did a video. Yeah, the whole ride here. We just did a video for icecreamshop.com. They sent us so many things, and they were in their sleeping bags in the car. That's why they're covered in fur. It looks so weird because they're wearing black. They're all wearing black. I'm wearing black. We're all wearing black. That's
Woman in black.
That's so weird. We're all wearing black. But yeah, that's why they have fuzz all over them. Oh, no one saw that. Serenity shattered her iPhone at Chipotle. Is it okay?
It's not cracked because this is like, I have a screen protector on it in a case.
Is it an OtterBox?
No, it's just
protective case?
Yeah.
That's really cool. They have a mobile order pickup. I've never seen that before. So Maya's getting chips and guacamole and I guess like a chicken bowl.
Can I have a bowl? White. Black. Huh? Chicken.
Maya, did you get chicken?
I got the exact same thing.
Did you?
Yeah.
What do you want, Alea?
But that's like burritos.
Okay, what kind of burritos do you have?
We have chicken, we have burger, we have steak, we have burritos.
What do you want yours?
I don't know. Pick for me.
Like rice, chicken, beans. You want all of that? Yeah. Okay, so white rice. She's never been here before. Do you want black beans or pinto beans? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, a little. Do you want chicken, cheese, steak, shredded beef, shredded pork?
The first one. Yeah.
Chicken? Just regular chicken? Oh, there's sour cream over here. What do you want from over here?
Sour cream.
Sour cream. Mild, medium, or hot?
Hot.
No, you don't want hot.
Medium.
Medium? You want cheese?
Yeah.
What about guacamole?
No.
No guacamole? What about lettuce?
No.
No lettuce? Okay. Yep. There's your big burrito. Look how big it is.
Big juicy burrito.
Yeah. That looks so good. No, that's okay. Thank you. You too. Do you guys want chips?
Yes.
Okay, yeah, we'll have some chips.
How many chips? You just want one large?
Yeah, 1 large is fine. Thank you. There's your yummy food. Are you excited, Alea? Alea was nervous. She was nervous ordering. She's like, I don't know.
26, 27.
26, 27? So there's our chips. She just brought them out to us. Here's Serenity's food. So Serenity and Maya got the same thing, right, Maya?
Yeah. I didn't get guac on mine though.
Oh, you didn't?
And she didn't get lettuce.
Oh, okay. So it's not the same thing. It's different. And Alea's. Let's look at Alea's. She already took some bites out of it. Look how yummy that looks. Did we get drinks?
No, we didn't.
We didn't get drinks. Did you guys want drinks?
Yeah.
I can't believe we forgot drinks. We got chips, but we forgot drinks. What do you guys want to drink?
Can I have whatever they have, Sierra Mr. Sprite?
Smite. Sierra Mr. Sprite. Alea wants Diet Coke or Diet Pepsi?
Diet Pepsi.
If they have Pepsi. Maya, what do you want?
I don't drink pop.
You don't want pop? So Maya stopped drinking pop or soda a while ago, so carbonated beverages, I guess you would say. So Leia wants Diet Pepsi or Diet Coke. Serenity wants Sierra Mist. I have my alkaline water right here, guys. This is what I have to drink for my stomach and my throat. You want lemonade? Do they have it? Alright, I'll be right back. So I just noticed this right now. I don't know how I didn't notice before when we were walking in, but we can eat outside too. They have umbrellas, chairs, tables out there. That's really cute. It's probably really loud though because it's right by the main road. Yeah. But still, on a nice day like today, we should be eating outside. What are we doing in here? I guess we didn't really think about it. That's alright, we're fine in here, right? The music's a little loud, but other than that. This Sprite, that's Serenity. Lemonade, that's Maya. And Alea's Coke. So Serenity ate almost all of her food.
Alea won't eat hers.
Alea won't eat the rest?
So I'm eating some of it.
This is Alea's burrito, what's left of it, and Serenity's heading away. Are you gonna eat the rest of it? Alea, did you like it?
Yeah.
You didn't like the stuff inside?
She ate the whole tortilla.
So, I give their bathrooms about a 2, maybe 3. What do you rate them?
I rate my food like 4.9.
4.9? What do you rate them,
I
Maya?
really like rice. 10.
A 10? Maya loves Chipotle. What about their setup? What do you rate their setup? Do you like the outside setup? I don't know if every Chipotle has that, but...
That looks pretty out there.
Yeah, I like that. Like the cleanliness in here, I don't know. It's not the best. They maybe 3.5. The bathrooms were pretty bad. Yeah, the tables aren't really wiped off. It's definitely not a 4.8 for me, but I'm not eating the food. I'm just looking at everything else. So I asked the girls their ratings for the food. Let me see what the chips look like. So this is the large chips that we got. And right when we were checking out, the guy was like, can you turn up the music in the lobby? And I think that he knows that we're recording, like copyright. I kind of think so. My camera's right here, guys, because I didn't call ahead of time and ask to film. Usually I do, but when I don't, I do use my iPhone. I used it for the beginning clip before we walked in. These seats are really hard, guys. I don't know if these are all Chipotle seats or... Maya, are all the Chipotle seats the same? Yeah. They are? These ones are really hard. Alright, Alea, so what do you rate Chipotle overall?
2 stars.
Serenity. What do you rate Chipotle?
Probably a 4.8.
4.8?
Yeah.
This is what the girls were in when their pants got all the fuzz on them. This one's a llama and Alea has the panda.
Can I get back?
But I don't know, it wasn't clean. Their bathrooms weren't clean. There was no toilet paper in the stall. I think they like it because of the food, but they didn't pay attention to the cleanliness, the bathrooms. Oh yeah, Leia doesn't like the food.
And I hate the drinks. They should have Diet Pepsi and their ice.
So Leia wanted Pepsi, and they didn't have Pepsi. They had Coke products. Diet. Maya, what do you rate Chipotle? This Chipotle, how many stars? 4? How many stars do you rate it out of 5? Serenity.
4.
What do you rate it, Alea? 3? 2? She doesn't like the food. But I don't know, guys. This definitely was not a 4 point, what did I say it was? 8? 4.8 whenever I Googled it. Yeah, so it said it was a 4.8, but I would probably give it like a 3.5. I don't know. It was kind of dirty.
It was crusty and musty.
Alea said it was crusty and musty. But the bathroom, like I said, had no toilet paper in it, and you need toilet paper to go to the bathroom. As I was leaving, she was coming in and filling the, But as I was leaving, the girl was coming in and filling the toilet paper rolls. So I guess the person that was in there before me told them that there was no toilet paper because the one next to me apparently didn't have any either. So that's a really bad thing for a restaurant. I don't know, guys. 3.5. Definitely not a 4.8.
1.5 actually.
Alea changed hers to 1.5. I would say about a 3.5, maybe a 3. I don't know, like I said, cleanliness is very important in a restaurant and it just wasn't very clean, and I didn't get to try their food, but Maya and Serenity loved their food. Alea disliked their food. She liked the tortilla, that's about it.
Yeah.
So, definitely wasn't the best rated in my opinion, or Alea's opinion, but I took everything into consideration besides the taste of the food. So like I said, they rated the taste of the food. Definitely not a 4.8 coming from me. So if you guys enjoy our best rated and worst rated, if you'd like to see us go to the worst rated restaurant in our area, give this video a big thumbs up. Serenity and Alea said that they would try the food. I'm kind of afraid to try it. I don't know if I'm going to be able to eat it.
Me and
But-
Sandy said that we'll be the tasters.
You'll be the taste testers. I'll check the cleanliness and I'll check the bathrooms and I'll check everything else, and they'll probably do the taste testing. And it smells really bad out here. It smells like a fart. Do you smell that?
Oh.
What is that? It smells like sewage out here really bad. So yeah, guys, thumbs up this video for more videos like this. What would you like us to do next? Worst rated, best rated, and where? Subscribe if you're new. We'll see you on our next video.
Bye.